Hey guys, so I'm going to go over how to get this puzzle started and then how you should be solving to connect all the other puzzle pieces. Um, so all the pieces that have shaded triangles here, these are your outside pieces, meaning that those shaded sections should only be on the perimeter or the outside of the puzzle. The ones that have two shaded sections, that means that those are going to be corner pieces. So they should make up the four corners of the square. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut and paste these ones that have two shaded sections, and we're going to make up the four corners first. So let me cut and paste these, and I'm going to cut and paste them onto another slide. All right, so to set up the four corners, 12 should be on the top left side, 11 should be on the bottom left, 9 on the top right, and then 14 bottom right side. All right, so now that we set up our four corners, what we're going to start doing is solving the problems. So these ones here that are boxed in, those are solutions, and then these longer ones are the problems that you're actually going to be solving. So I'm going to go ahead and write out this first one here. All right, so we have negative 7x plus 4, parentheses, negative 6 plus 3x. So I see the parentheses there, and that tells me that I'm going to distribute the 4. So 4 times negative 6 is going to give us negative 24. 4 times a positive 3x is going to give us positive 12x, and then I'm going to drop down this negative 7x. Now I want to combine like terms, so I'm going to put together negative 7x and positive 12x, and negative 7 plus 12 is going to give us 5, so we get 5x minus 24. So now I'm going to go back to slide 1, and I'm going to find the solution that says 5x minus 24. And remember, that's these boxed in ones, so we're looking for 5x minus 24, which is right here on number 7. So I'm going to cut and paste that one. And I'm going to match it up so that 5x minus 24 is touching this problem. And that tells me that those are that problem and that solution match together. All right, so now I'm going to solve the next one. So this next one, let me go ahead and write it out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply out the 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times x is 4x. And then I'm going to drop down the x plus 6. Now I'm going to combine like terms. So I can put together 4x plus x. That's going to give us 5x. And then I can also put together 20 and 6. So 20 plus 6 is going to give us 26. So I get 5x plus 26. All right, so I'm going to go back to slide 1 again, and I'm going to find 5x plus 26. Which is right here. So I'm going to cut and paste that. And I'm going to match these two together. All right, then you see that you have a solution here. So there's nothing to solve here. But if I look here, because I need another piece, actually, no, wait, it's a 4 by 4. Sorry, it's a 4 by 4. So that means that these ones should match up. Let's go ahead and solve this one here, though, because there is something that I want to go over. So we have 4x minus 9 times 3 minus x. Okay, so remember that you distribute this as a negative 9. You take the sign with it. So don't forget you're taking that negative sign with the 9 when you multiply. So negative 9 times 3 is negative 27. -9, remember there's an understood 1 there, so -9 times -1 is +9, and then I'm going to drop down that 4x. And then I can combine like terms, so I have 4x plus 9x, which is going to give us 13x. And I drop down the -27. So the 13x minus 27 does match with that one there. All right, so now you're going to keep solving these. We probably want to inch these closer together because it's going to be a 4x4 square. So they should be inched a little closer together. So you're going to keep solving these and you're going to keep matching the problem with the solution. And then again, you should get a new 4x4 square at the end. Make sure that you submit your work with this to get full credit.